thought I'd do a quick review of the Makita battery operated vacuum. I can't remember whether this case came with it or whether I bought the case with another product. But the vacuum comes with a hose, which is quite nice and long. And then this is the vacuum. Just doing this one-handed as I'm working today. It's the Makita DVC350. Comes with a nice little zip bag dust. This side is where you connect your hose onto, and it's the 18 volt plus system, so you can put your 5 amp hour or 6 amp hour batteries on there. On the top we have very simple controls. We have high and low, which is your on button, and obviously an off button. That's on low, and then that turns it back off again. With the hose, it's just a nice little simple twist it in, and that's now locked in place. Overall, the hoover is good for sucking up dust when you're drilling holes, which I'm just about to use it for. You can use it on the side of the planer or a sander. I'll just go and set it up. What we've got to do, we've got to fix these racks next to the wall. So I'm just about to drill the holes in, put the raw plugs in and fix them back. I'm hoping this angle might work, but there might be some vibration on the video, of which I apologise if there is. So hopefully that showed the dust being sucked out of the holes. Overall, the hoover is a nice little hoover and it does well for that type of job. I'm also using the Makita SDS drill, which is the DHR202. Again, another nice little bit of kit on the 18 volt system. Does its job nicely. Just to show the hoover sucking up pieces that are on the floor, because I forgot to do it for one of the holes. As a quick little battery operated hoover, it does suck up the dust well enough. It's just not quite as powerful as I was hoping it was going to be when I initially purchased it. But it does work, and if you can pick them up cheap enough, they're handy to have, but I wouldn't spend a great deal on them. I've just finished using it, and I've drilled probably about 20 holes using it on full power, and it hasn't actually used up any of the battery on the Makita 5 amp hour. So it must have been when I first had it and I was running it on the 3 amp hour batteries that it seemed to chew them through. On the larger amp hour batteries it seems to be working nicely. And this is just to show the Makita dust bag that it comes with. There's a nice big zip all the way around the top with a flap that folds down over the zip to keep the dust in. Hope this might have been helpful to someone. Thank you for watching.